Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to repair or fix a small hole in a vinyl fence for cheap, or at least until you can replace the panel. This particular hole was caused by bark shrapnel after one of my trees was struck by lightning a while back. So let's head to the table and I'll show you some of the supplies you'll need. Here at the table, I've arranged everything in about the order that I'm going to use it. So we'll start with our PPE. We've got our reciprocating saw or Dremel. This will help bore out the hole and, clean it up a little. We've got our soap and water. We've got our expanding foam. This is what you're going to fill the hole with and then wait for it to cure. Once it's cured, I've got a drywall knife. That way I can cut off any excess. And then we'll fill up the area with some joint cement. This will help get us a smooth surface. We'll sand that surface with 80 grit. And then I'll work down to 220. And then I've got my paint. Now, you can actually take a piece of your fence and to a hardware store and ask them to color match. That way the finished product is, closer to what you have existing. So, well, let's get to fixing. So, decided to change my mind and use a Dremel instead of the reciprocating saw. Alright, let's let this cure. Now, it's okay to leave a little bit extra. We're going to end up sanding this later, but I'll clean it up a little bit. So I came out here and I noticed that the putty is actually cracking. So what I'm going to do is fill up some of the cracks and let it dry overnight. Alright, we'll be back in the morning. We're out here the next morning and it looks like it's nice and cured. It's pretty hard and it looks like it's ready to sand, so let's get to it. No, not quite as clean as I was hoping for, but it's not right. So I'm going to wipe this down with it and see if I can get some of these wet edges out. Well, I'm satisfied with the way it is right now. I'm just going to put a little bit of paint on it. That way I can wait until I end up changing the panel out itself. But at least my hole's plugged. It doesn't look as bad as it did anymore, and it'll keep the wasps out. So, on to painting. Oh, looks like I got some cracks forming. So either my putty, excuse me, my putty was old, is dried, something happened. So maybe I'll come back and put another layer and sand some down on it again. So. Still, I'm happy with it for now. Alright, well, if you like what you saw, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.